Hi, this is Sam with the City of Bowling Green in the Sentinel-Tribune. Today we're going to talk about crosswalks on Wooster Street. So Officer Robin, can you tell us how these things work?
Well, Sam, the pedestrian hybrid beacons work pretty easy, especially for the pedestrian. All you have to do is walk up and push that button and wait for the hand to tell you to walk. Now for the cars, it's going to be a little more difficult. Maybe something they're not quite used to yet. The first thing, once you push that button, those lights are going to start flashing yellow. Yellow always means caution, so the cars should start to slow down. From flashing yellow, it'll go to a solid yellow. At that point, the car should be ready to stop, because after that solid yellow, it's going to go to solid red. And then from solid red, you're going to get your walking person to go across the street, and then the cars will wait, and then from solid red, it's going to go to flashing red. And once it's at flashing red, the cars can go through the crosswalk if it is clear of pedestrians, and only if it is clear of pedestrians. All right, what if after they stop, there are 0 pedestrians in the crosswalk? What can the cars do while the light is still flashing red?
They may go.
Excellent job. I think you're ready to drive. Okay, maybe not for a few more years.